Okay, we're here at the EQUIGAS booth. I've got the Arvelo boys, Nico and Raf. Raf, I'll start with you.
Yeah.
Talk to us about what you guys are focused on for 2026.
Yes, so 2026 has been an amazing year. We have had some good milestones. We're growing really fast. As a matter of fact, 2 years ago, I don't know if you remember that we announced that we moved to a building that was
a grand opening.
4.3 times bigger. Well, guess what? Guess what I'm doing next week? I'm having a meeting with our realtors because we are looking for a new building. So in a year we have to be out of the building because we just do not fit there anymore.
Happens fast, Raf. I'm proud of you guys. All right, Nico, question for you. What would you say is something that sets you apart from your competition?
Well, Allison this morning expressed her frustration with AI chatbots and AI.
I hate those.
Our slogan has always been and always will be, we answer the phone with shit the same day. We are the human advantage in an AI world. Everyone's raving about AI. When you call EQUIGAS, you're always going to get a real live person answering the phone.
That's true. When I call, actually, Raf answers the phone, so that is pretty funny. All right, Raf, give us an update on Correct Cryogenics. What is that added to EQUIGAS, and how have you guys been able to integrate?
You know, Correct Cryogenics has opened a lot of doors that we weren't able to be inside before. And Correct Cryogenics is doing great in the East Coast and the West Coast. And right now is one of the units in the business that are also growing really fast, to the point that I really don't like to tell customers that we can't take care of them yet. But that's one of the reasons why we're trying to expand and find a better place where we can take care of all the customers and say, yes, we can take good care of you.
Okay, we'll switch gears from a sales standpoint. Nico, talk to us about what's going on in sales for EQUIGAS.
So we're always expanding, always adding to our product lines. This year we have 3 new product lines that we're excited to add to our inventory. We can't announce them just yet, but just know that big things are coming.
Awesome. There you go. Quick update here from the EQUIGAS booth. Thank you guys for everything that you do for us at GAWDA Media and for GAWDA as a whole. You want one more thing, Raf?
One more thing. We are hiring right now. So if you want to start working for a small company, fast growing, with a lot of energy, and we're always having a lot of fun, give us a call.
All right, very good. There's a quick update from the EQUIGAS booth. Thank you, Raf, and thank you, Nico, for everything that you do for us at GAWDA Media and for GAWDA as a whole. You guys are at every event, regional chair, selfie king, getting in all the pictures, man. You guys are always a riot, and I love hanging out with you. So thank you.
One thing I want to let everybody know, this is just the beginning.